Park is a fun adventure where we use our senses to discover the world. Nature is fun. We love exploring, learning all about our amazing world.